You can.
No.
Can you name these animals?
Animal.
No. Animal. This animal has 8 legs and 2 claws.
Two
No,
claws.
claws, and its body is sharp. Is shaped.
Yes.
Shaped, and like an wheel.
Like an
Wheel.
oval.
Oval.
Oval. Its body is shaped like an oval. Well, what do you think this is?
I don't know.
Oh, yes, you do.
I know this one Chinese name, but I don't this one English name.
I think you know the English too.
It is a crab.
A crab.
A crab.
Yes, a crab. A crab. A sea animal called a crab.
Wow.
This is a crab.